Hey, so you want to start trading and investing? Well, you got to do a couple things first. So let's get going. Hi, it's Karim Rahemtulla for Trade Talk Tuesday. Listen, we always get questions from people who haven't really invested and haven't really traded. They haven't really opened an account. So they're like, hey, I like what you guys are saying, but how do I get started? Okay, first things you got to do is find a broker that you like. That doesn't mean find a broker that charges zero. Okay? And I'll tell you why. Because the brokers that charge you zero for everything, they're making their money somewhere. Nobody charges you nothing. There's no free lunch on Wall Street. And you're probably going to pay for it in really crappy executions or hello, hello, hello. Sorry. Yeah, there's nobody on the other line. So you don't want that kind of broker because if you're in trouble with a trade or something, you want to call somebody and have somebody answer the phone.
Hello?
So the way you do that is you go kind of in the middle and pick the three best brokers out there for people who want to start investing. And the first one is not Robinhood, okay? Not Robinhood. So the first one is TD Ameritrade, the second one is Fidelity, and the third one is Interactive Brokers. So all of these companies charge you really low commissions. Some charge you zero on stocks, a couple bucks on options, but they're there to answer the phone for you. And believe it or not, in this age where we want to do everything online and in a chat room and texting, when it comes to money, you want to make sure the person on the other line answers the phone, and these guys do.
Hello, Ghostbusters.
So that's the first step. Pick your broker. The second step is to set up the right type of account. Okay, there's two types of accounts. There's a retirement account and there's a regular account. So a retirement account, that's for your IRA. Just know there's certain types of trades you can't do in that account. If it's a regular account, you can do just about everything, but you need permission. What's permission? Well, you can buy a stock and you can buy an option. You kind of have to sign an options agreement to do that. That's as far as it goes. But if you want to go and you want to do trades like strangles or spreads or covered calls or put selling, okay. If you want to do those kind of trades, you need bigger approval. What's bigger approval? It's not bigger approval. It's just higher levels of approval. And you've got to show that you've got some experience with it. So you want to deal with a broker that allows you to do that. And some brokers, like Robinhood, it's really tough to get those types of approvals because you're not really dealing with people. You're dealing with like an algorithm or something. You type in, they go, hey, have you ever traded an option before? Well, as soon as you say, well, they're like, sorry, you're not approved for it. So get with brokers who know what they're doing and who might charge you a little bit to allow you to do the trades that will make you profit from the types of things that we do. And we do this stuff every Wednesday, okay? Trade Day Plus. Click on the special offer below, 5 stocks for $5. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and we will see you next week.